In a lively city, there lived a boy named Melvin. He had always dismissed yoga as something not meant for him, with preconceived notions of it being boring and uninteresting. Little did he know that his perspective was about to change. On a sunny morning, as the world celebrated International Yoga Day, Melvin found himself surrounded by a group of his friends. They were enthusiastic about practicing yoga and urged him to give it a try. Reluctantly, Melvin agreed, not wanting to disappoint his friends. As the yoga session began, Melvin's initial skepticism lingered, but as he followed the graceful movements, a sense of calmness washed over him. He started feeling more connected to his body and mind, embracing the flow of each pose. Surrounded by nature's beauty and guided by a patient instructor, Melvin realized that yoga was more than just physical exercise. It was a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. With each breath, he felt the stress and worries melt away, replaced by a profound sense of well-being. Weeks turned into months, and Melvin's love for yoga deepened. He explored different styles and embraced the holistic benefits it offered. Not only did he gain strength and flexibility, but he also experienced mental clarity and emotional balance. Melvin's newfound passion for yoga extended beyond his personal practice. He started to share his experiences with others, encouraging them to embark on their own yoga journeys. He witnessed transformations in the lives of those around him as they too discovered the power of this ancient practice. On International Yoga Day, Melvin released a video sharing his story, aiming to inspire and educate viewers about the incredible benefits of yoga. With captivating visuals, heartfelt anecdotes, and testimonials from fellow practitioners, the video became a sensation. Viewers from all walks of life found themselves drawn into Melvin's journey. They felt a sense of belongingness and relatability, resonating with his initial doubts and eventual transformation. The video became a catalyst for many to give yoga a chance, igniting a global wave of interest in the practice. As the video concluded, viewers were left with a profound understanding. Yoga was not just for the flexible or the spiritual. It was a gift for anyone seeking physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Melvin's story touched their hearts and inspired them to embark on their own yoga journeys, knowing that within the practice lies a transformative power waiting to be unleashed. This International Yoga Day, let us come together, embrace the beauty of yoga, and discover the immense potential it holds within us. Join Melvin and countless others on this incredible path of self-discovery and empowerment. Happy International Yoga Day. If you enjoyed the story, please like the video and share it with your friends and family.